If you're experiencing connection errors in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Overwatch 2 can resolve connection issues. Close the game completely and then relaunch it to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Overwatch 2 installed. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Keeping your game updated can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're still having issues, try adjusting your network settings. You can switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for a more stable experience, or change your DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. Step 5. Check Blizzard's server status. Sometimes connection errors are due to server issues on Blizzard's end. Visit the official Blizzard website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server problems or maintenance that could be affecting your connection. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.